Hey there, are you encountering the LS-0015 launch failed error when trying to start Fortnite on your PC? No worries, here's the step-by-step guide on how to solve the error, the LS-0015 launch failed error on your PC. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Clear your network configuration settings. First, click on the tray icon and right-click on the Epic Games Launcher folder. Epic Games Launcher icon. Click on Exit. Now locate the search icon, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click Yes. Type in netsh space winsock space reset and press Enter. Then type ipconfig /flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll provide these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and check if the error persists. Solution 3. If the error lingers, try using an optimized DNS server. Open the command prompt again, type the ping 1111 and press Enter to get the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8888 and press Enter for the other DNS server. Determine which DNS server has the lowest ping. Go to Settings, click on Network and Internet, then click on Ethernet. Click on the Edit button next to DNS server assignment. Select Manual and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. In the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS and input the appropriate values. Click Save and you're done. Solution 3. Turn off and turn on the Internet. Right-click on Epic Games Launcher in the system tray and select Exit. Search for Control Panel, open it, then click on Network and Internet, followed by Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click on your connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, select Disable, then quickly enable it again. Right-click on Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. Go to your library, launch Fortnite, and it should open without the error. So there you have it. That's how you can tackle the LS-0015 launch fail error in Fortnite on your computer. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.